Hello, in this video, we'll learn how to manage purchase orders and sale orders in OOS Books software step by step. Let's begin. First, you need to go to the inventory section. Here, you won't see the purchase order and sale order options initially. To enable these options, go to the top section, click on the settings icon, turn on both purchase order and sale order, and click Save. As soon as you enable the settings, these two options will start appearing in the inventory section. Now we'll create a purchase order. For that, click on the plus icon next to purchase order. Here you'll see the purchase order form, where you can select the company name, enter the invoice number, and choose the items. I'll select one item and enter quantity as 10, then press enter to add it. Similarly, I'll add item 2, item 3, and item 4, each with a quantity of 10. After that, click the Save button at the bottom and your purchase order will be created. If you want to view it, go back to the purchase order section. You'll be able to see the bill. You can also print it if needed. You can also customize the bill by clicking on the settings icon at the top, like adding MRP, discount columns, etc. After making these changes, click Save and you'll see the updates in your bill. Now let's convert this purchase order into an invoice. In the inventory section, under purchase order, click the edit button on that bill. Scroll down and click the convert to invoice button. To confirm, you'll now see purchase invoice written at the top instead of purchase order. Now click Save to save the purchase bill and your purchase entry will be successfully saved. If you go to the dashboard and refresh, you'll see stock worth 13,600 rupees in the current stock section. You can also click more info to view full item details. Now let's create a sale order. For that, go to sale order in the inventory section and click the plus icon. Select the customer name, for example Raj. An invoice number will be auto-generated, then select the product. I'll select item 1, enter quantity as 1 and add it. Similarly, I'll add the rest of the items, each with a single quantity. After adding all items, click the Save button at the bottom. If the customer has made a payment, you can enter the paid amount, otherwise just click Save to save the sale order. You can now print this bill or directly send it via WhatsApp. Now, if you want to convert this sale order into an invoice, go to Sale Order in Inventory, click the Edit button on that bill, and then click the Convert to Invoice button at the bottom. To confirm, you'll now see sale invoice written instead of sale order. Now click on Save, then enter the payment amount, select the payment source, and click Save. You can also print or directly send this bill on WhatsApp. Now you can go to the dashboard to check today's sales, account balance, and stock quantities. Stock quantities will also be updated. This is how you can easily manage purchase orders and sale orders in OOS Books. Thank you.